I'm Carl Williams, the organiser of the Aberystwyth 10k road race, which is now in its 12th year. It's become a firm favourite in the Aberystwyth diary, and it's attracting runners from all over the UK, not only Wales but the Midlands, Lancashire, South East England, and we're averaging around 300 runners each year.
Marshals on the courses. There is some light water under the rubbers on the bike to reference bridge and on Glendower. Thanks, Carl. Thank you everybody for taking part.
Just tell us something about the race today and its importance to the local community, perhaps?
Well, it is important, and it's borne out with a number of people who are participating, some 300 people, local charities who are obviously raising funds for their particular cause, as well as many other people outside Ceredigion as well, galvanising, community interest and community support for some very valuable causes.
The idea of the race initially was to raise funds for charity. Initially it went to cancer charities, Marie Curie, Macmillan, but there are now local charities that we are supporting. And over the years we have raised in excess of approximately £80,000.
'It's a great event. It's being really well supported despite the weather. There were doubts whether it would carry on even the second time. It was postponed from before, and so I wish all the runners the best of luck. I'd like to thank the local sponsors obviously as well, the Aberystwyth Athletics Club, the Cambrian News for their participation in this event, and it's turning out to be a really good cause. It's been going on now for many years and looks set to go on for many years in the future.
148, number 144.